Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we are going to create an animated character in Scratch. Sounds fun, right? Alright, let's get started! First, let's code our little Jessica. Go to Jessica's coding area and grab the Say block. Let's make her say, "Hello, friends," for 2 seconds. Don't forget to add when green flag clicked on the top. Click it. Nice! Now, when we click on the sprite, we want Jessica to look like she's talking. So grab the next costume block. Click it. Cool! She looks animated now. Let's add some sound too. Grab the Start Sound block and attach when this sprite clicked on the top. Nice! Now Jessica talks and sounds fun. Next, let's move on to another sprite, JP. In JP's coding area, grab Change Size by -10 and then Change Size by 10. We want this to happen again and again, so let's put these blocks inside a Repeat 10 block. In between, add play sound until done. And of course, don't forget when this sprite clicked on the top. Click it. Awesome! JP is popping in and out. Now let's code Kelsey. Grab the Say block and make Kelsey say, "Let's have fun!" Click it. Perfect! Now add some movement. Grab Change Y by -100, then change Y by 100. Add a wait 0.2 seconds in between to make it smooth. Let's add a sound too. All of this should happen when the sprite is clicked. Click it. Wow, nice jump! Next up, Kit. Let's make Kit say, "Let's go!" Add a Start Sound block and change the costume too. Attach when this sprite clicked on the top. Test it. Wow, so cool! Now let's code our little bird, Mortimer. We want Mortimer to fly around, so grab Glide 1 second to random position. Click it. See that? Super fun! Add a sound block and don't forget when this sprite clicked on the top. Now for the flappy wings. Add switch costume blocks using the 2 wing costumes. Put a small weight in between. Wrap everything inside a Repeat 2 block. And yes, add when this sprite clicked on the top. Click it and watch. Awesome! Mortimer is flying and flapping! And that's it for today, Supercoder. See you soon with another cool game. Until then, happy coding! Bye!